Good morning and namaste dear student. Welcome to this virtual class developed by Join School family, and it is specially designed for the student of class 9 and 10. I am your English teacher and I am going to teach you English in this class. It is your day 13 video. In this video too, you are going to learn to solve short answer questions in comprehensive passages. In day 12 video, you have learned some tips, some guidelines or some tricks to solve comprehensive passages. We have also learned how to write the answer of what question in the previous video. In this video, we are going to learn other WH questions like what question, how long question, which and why question. And at the end of the video, I am going to give you some tips to write the answer of other WH questions. Let's solve the questions. Our next question is when question. While writing the short answer questions in comprehensive passages, we read the question first and underline the keywords. Let's read the answer. When does Mary wake up? This is the question. Let's underline the keyword. The keywords are Mary and wake up. These are the keywords. After reading the questions, we read the passage. We read the passage and we locate the answer in the passage. In the previous video, we have discussed that the answer of the questions are given in a chronological order. This means the answer of the first question, will appear in the beginning part of the passage, while the answer of the subsequent questions, other questions, are given in the later portion of the passage. We have located the answer of question number 1 in this sentence. So the answer of the second question will appear in the later portion of the passage. So we don't read this portion of the passage, we read the later portion of the passage. Let's read the passage. Every morning she gets up. She means Mary. Gets up means wake up. These two keywords are matching here in this sentence. So we underline this sentence. So we underline this sentence. We locate the answer in this sentence. It means the answer of this question is in this sentence. Now let's write down the answer of question number 2. You have to write down the answer in your own words. When does Mary wake up? Mary wake up We have taken these keywords from the questions. Now let's take keywords from the passage. One thing you have to remember, the answer of when question can be time. a time expression. The answer of when question can be time or time expression. That means the adverb of time tells us when an action happened. So at 5 a.m. is the time. So at 5 o'clock, at 5 a.m. is the answer. Okay? So Mary wake up at 5 a.m. In this way, we write the statement first. Mary wake up. This is the statement, subject, verb, object, and then we write time adverbs. Okay? Time at the end of the sentence. Now let's see another question. Okay? Another question: how long does Mary practice football? So underline the keywords. How long does Mary practice? Are the keywords. Okay? Keywords. The answer of how long means length of time. You have to find out the length of time in how long questions. And the answer structure of how long question is, first we write statement. After writing statement, we write for or since, and then a time expression. Okay? Statement plus for since plus time expression. This is the structure of the answer of how long. Let's read the passage and locate the answer. We have already discussed the answers are given in chronological order. Okay? This means the answer of the first question, okay, will appear at the beginning of the passage, while the answer of subsequent question will appear in the later portion of the passage. We have got the answer of question number 2. Okay? Question number 2 in this sentence. So we don't study this portion of the passage. We read the later portion of the passage to find out the answer of third question, that is how long question. Usually she runs about 10 kilometers. After running, she eats a large breakfast. At 8 a.m. she practices football with her team. When the practice ends, 4 hours later, the whole team eats lunch together. When the practice ends, here is the word practice. We are finding the answer of how long questions. The answer of how long question is length of time. Okay? Length of time, time expression. So we'll find the answer in this sentence. Okay? In this sentence. So we underline this sentence. We locate the answer in this portion of the passage. Okay? And we write the answer in our own words. Okay? How long Mary practiced football? How we write the answer? First we write the statement. Mary practices football. This is the statement. After statement we write for or since. For is most suitable. Look, Mary practices football for answer is here. 4 hours. Okay? 4 hours. For 4 hours. In this way we write the answer in our own words using the keywords from the question and keywords from from the passage. Okay? We don't write the whole sentence, complete sentence from the passage. Now let's discuss question number 4. Which is her best sports? Best sports. First we will underline it. Which is her best sports? Okay. The answer of which question can be definite person or things. While searching the answer of which question, okay, we have to search definite person or things from the passage. Okay. Let's read it. On Monday, Wednesday and Friday afternoon, Mary goes swimming. On Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, she goes cycling with her friends. Although Mary prefers cycling to swimming, playing football is her favorite activity. Favorite activity. Favorite means best. Activities mean sports. Okay? So the keywords of the questions and the keywords of the passage match in this sentence. So we locate the answer in this sentence, and we write the answer in our own words. Let's write down the answer. Her best activity, best sports. Sports is football. So in this way we write the answer of which question. Next question is why question. The next question is why question. The answer of why question can be reason or a purpose. The answer of why question can be a reason or a purpose. And the structure of the answer is statement. First we write statement. Statement we write. After that we write a reason or a purpose statement. Reason or a purpose statement. And the reason or purpose statement is begin with because, as, since, to, in order to, or so that. Therefore, these are the connectors. These are the connectors we use in the reason statement or purpose statement. Now let's read the passage. Why does Mary like Sunday? On Sunday, Mary doesn't have to train. She usually spends the day visiting her family. Sunday is Mary's favorite day because she like. Why does Mary like? Mary and like and Sunday are the keywords of the question, and she means Mary, like. These two keywords are matching in this sentence. So we locate the answer in this sentence, and we write the answer. Mary likes Sunday. Here, why does Mary like Sunday? Why question, the answer of why question can be reason or purpose. This question asking reason. We have to give reason in this question. So first we write the statement using the keywords from the question. Mary likes Sunday? The answer is because she likes talking to her mother. Mary likes Sunday because she likes talking to her mother. In this way, we write the answer of why questions. Okay? Why questions. Let's discuss the answer of other WH questions. Okay? I have written other WH question here for your practice, for your self practice. Answer of this question, 4 questions, you have to write the answer yourself as your homework. Okay? And here I am going to give you some tips how to write the answer of this question. The first question is, every week, how often does she go swimming? The answer of how often can be time adverbials. Time adverbials, and we write statement plus time adverbials. Time adverbials, or the answer of how often question can be time, a time expression, a time adverb. And it tells us how often an action happened. So you have to search answer as time, or time expression, or time adverb. I have not given the answer of these questions. It's not in chronological order. You can find anywhere inside this passage. Now, next question is, whose story is this? Whose story is this? The answer of whose question can be person. The person in possessive case. The answer of whose question can be person, and person in possessive case. For example, hers, his, Ram's, Hari's, Mary's, in this way. Next, with whom does Mary practice football? The answer of whom question. The answer of whom question can be person. Person in object. And the last question is, why does she involve in hard training? The answer of why question can be purpose or reason. We have discussed just now. And this question asking for purpose. Purpose. So you have to write down the answer of this question by using so that plus purpose statement. First statement we write from the question, and after the statement we write so that, and then purpose statement. And proper statement can be written as subject plus can, could plus V1. These things I have already discussed in the previous video too. You can watch the previous video and you can get knowledge of solving the short answer questions in comprehensive passage. Only this much for today. Rest in the next video, and thank you for watching this video.